5 days, Sandy Cape, 2 dads, 5 kids. Should be epic. You excited? Yeah. Yeah, you look excited. Oh my gosh. There you go, Liam. Say hello, fellas.
Hello.
You. And over here, look at that. Paradise. Front row seats are in, hey?
Right on the ocean. Yeah.
Beautiful. Front row seats. Front row seats. Ready, boys? Got the sandboards?
Yeah,
But I wouldn't sandboard down that one.
I am. See, there's even an avalanche. See that?
Go. Go. Go on, swim. Oh yeah.
Oh, ninja!
Push. Absolutely beautiful out here. I mean, look at that. Hey? Campground's just there. And you could be in the middle of nowhere. Not a person in sight. So beautiful.
tight. Don't turn on the lights. I don't wanna fight with you.
What do you reckon, Zach?
Good.
Pretty cool, hey?
It's getting there. Right, do you? It's like at home. Good. Quick, go once to warm.
Under torchlight. How you going, Orion? Another day, mate.
Yeah, tough day out.
Material is literally
Got the fire going.
Tough when it, only 10 metres from the beach.
And over here, if you have a look, we can still see the last of that sunset. Look at that.
Hold me tight. Could you hold me tight? Could you hold me tight? Don't turn on the lights. I don't wanna fight with you.